Hey, welcome back to my channel, and here today we're gonna do another Makeup Mondays. So today what I have is another box. So let's just get right into it. Time to open. Is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, let's see it. Aw, so cute. It has like a little card inside and it says, "What's up, Buttercup?" And then on the back it says Colourpop. So yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing Colourpop. Aw, it says sorry we're late, XOXO Colourpop, and this is a free ultra lip stain. That's so nice. I got like 2 cards from Colourpop. Thank you so much, Colourpop. Now let's see, where do I start off first? I'm going to start off with this because I'm going to see how this works. So I'm going to start off first with the All-Star Matte Blur Setting Spray. And this is how it looks. It's so bright. This is how it looks. And I'm going to open it. Oh, this is such a beautiful color. It's like a beautiful like tangerine color. And it says, shake me gently, hold arms linked away from your face, and spray, spray, spray. P.S. Do not spray directly into eyes or mouth. So like, I didn't put any setting spray on, so I'm gonna try some of this right now. Oh my gosh, what's that smell? It smells so good. Wait, what is that? It smells like a nice herb. What is that smell? It smells so good. It smells like, is it lavender? Or it smells like eucalyptus. It smells like eucalyptus. So yeah, setting spray. What else do we got here? Then setting spray is never complete without this, and this is the Colourpop All-Star Matte Blur Primer. Can you see? There we go. And I'm gonna open it. Oh, so cute. It's like a baby soft pink color. And what I love about Colourpop is they are cruelty free. So there, you can see the pink color like there. Next, wow, they gave me so much free stuff. I don't even know where to begin. Let's see what we're gonna do next. Next, we are going to open when this first came out last year, was it last year? Yeah, it was last year. And I really wanted to get it, but they ran out of my color. So when I saw that it was restocked, I just had to get it, and I'm just like, yay. And this is a Colourpop no filter foundation, and it looks like this. It's like a pink color with silver, and it has like silver detailing on the side. Beautiful packaging. And it looks like this, and it has a pump. And this color is medium dark 145. So yeah, I'm like so excited to try on all this stuff. Then no foundation is complete without concealer. And this is how the concealer looks. Beautiful packaging. Same with the detailing down the side. It's like horizontal of pink and white, like a baby pink. And this color is in medium dark 32. And it looks like this. Oh wow, I like this. The glass is like frosted translucent glass. And then it looks like this. It's not like really a doe foot. Well, it's a doe foot, but it's like not an angled doe foot one. It's more of like a lip gloss one, because it's flat on the top and bottom. So that should be very interesting. I never used like a concealer one like this. But yeah, I'm gonna do that for another video. Then I also got this one. This is the no filter stick. So this is in medium dark 145 W, which that probably means warm. So what I like about Colourpop is like they have foundations and concealers, but it also goes with like if you have like a warm undertone, a peachy undertone, a nude undertone. So it's like, it's not just about like the color numbers, it's also about your undertone of your skin. So yeah, I'm gonna open this, and it looks like this. Wow, this is like, it's pretty like thick and like a nice size, and the colors on the bottom. I don't know if you could see that. It looks like this, and it's a twist up. It doesn't smell like anything. It just has a makeup smell. Then also, I'm so happy I got this because they restocked it, and it is the no filter setting powder, and it looks like that. Come on, focus camera. It looks like that. And I got this in another like translucent, because I have other setting powders that are like off-white, and then I have my Givenchy powder, and that's like 4 colors mixed in one, but I need it translucent, so it looks like this. And then it says, is the camera gonna focus? Come on, focus. That's how it looks. Then next, I really wanted to try these, and they restocked it, so I'm so excited. And these are the Colourpop BFF liquid liner and the Colourpop Volumizing mascara, and it's so cute because it has like little stars and smiley faces on it, and it says BFF. So I'm gonna open up the liner first, and I got this in the color numero uno, which is like the deepest black, because they have like off black and they have brown, so I wanted to get black. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a nice size. It's like the width of a pen, and then it's like so sharp. Look at that, for the perfect eyeliner Colourpop has like amazing eyeliner pencils, and with this I just wanted this, and I'm so happy they restocked it because it's like you could do your liner like so precise with this. Then next, the BFF volumizing mascara. That is in the color Black on Black. So it's like the deepest black. Also in this, they have like dark brown, black, and off black. And then Black on Black. I love this packaging. It's so cute. It looks like this. I really like this mascara because you see how the brush is separated. It really gets in there good. And I'm going to do a demo of all this, just not in this video. Then, oh my gosh, alright. So, one of the beauty bloggers that I love so much, I think she is so dope. I think she's bomb. She does makeup excellent and amazing, and I love her personality and her tutorials. And when they restocked it, I'm just like, yes! I got the Shayla Colourpop Perception palette. This is how the front looks. How beautiful is that packaging? And it's my favorite color, purple, so you know it's right up my alley. That's the front, and this is the back. And in the little circles it says the names of the color. So if you don't know who Shayla is, on YouTube, her channel is Makeup by Shayla, and she's been a blogger for a while, so like oh my gosh, she is everything, girl. So this is how it looks outside of the packaging. It's beautiful rose gold and purple, and it says Shayla Colourpop. And it has a beautiful large size mirror, but I'm gonna flip it over so it won't shine bright on camera. And here goes all the colors. And what I like about this palette is the colors are right on top, and the colors that she incorporated are like some names that are like people in her family, i.e. for Inland Empire, California, Cali girl. And these two brown colors, I love them. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful colors, and the rose gold detailing is also inside. So I'm so excited to just be able to play and create different makeup looks with this palette, because it has some shimmers, and it has like four mattes. It has some shimmers, and then these look like they're pressed cream powders. So I'm so excited. Also, I also had to get this. Also Shayla and Colourpop. I got this rose gold packaging in purple. And then I also got these. 3 different colors. So I'm gonna open up. This color is called Shay Day. Look how beautiful that is. The packaging. Same thing with the rose gold. And now the purple is the color. So this is so beautiful. And this color is called Neat Freak. And it's so beautiful because it's like a nice, beautiful, clear gloss, but it has like gold flakes. I'm gonna try some of this right now. Oh my gosh, and the applicator is like a little brush. nice and hydrated, my lips feel. And it's not sticky. And then the other color that I got, it's called Season 10. And I'm so excited about this color because I love red and I like different shades of red. Same thing with the rose gold, and it says Shayla Colourpop. So beautiful, so beautiful. And y'all already know. Well, if you watch Shayla, you know what will be next. And so when Shayla came out with round 2, I was like, girl, I have to get it. And I got the PR package of Proceed with Caution with Shayla and Colourpop. So I'm so excited, and like I can't wait to create all these amazing looks. I am not going to open this right now, but I will definitely open this on the video that I'm going to do. I'm going to actually probably do 2 videos. One with the Proceed with Caution with Shayla and Colourpop, and then the other one of the Perception palette. So I'm so excited because I was like, this time when I got it, oh my gosh, they only had like, when I first got it, I got it the day it came out. So I was so nervous. I was like, I hope what happened last time doesn't happen. And like, they ran out, and I was like, I put it in the cart, and then when I went to check out, it was gone. But this time I got it. So yeah, I am like so excited for all of the different looks that I get to create. So thank you for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what products are your favorite makeup products. Mine is, I love a good eyebrow pencil, and I love a good lip product. No matter if it's gloss or lipstick, I feel like with the right eyebrow and the right lip, girl, it's like everything. So thank you for watching.